Hey, what's up, guys? This is Jason with Buddha Farms coming to you Monday, May 14th, 2018. And, well, it's Monday. It's about 2 o'clock. It's a nice and balmy 92 degrees out here. In the greenhouse right now, it's probably like 110. I got a few fans going in there. I don't really have much growing in there because it's pretty hot. I had some seedlings in there for some squash and stuff like that, but I've just recently put that in the garden, so hopefully it'll start growing. But I finished my Monday routine. I got everything trellised up and pruned up. I've actually picked a few grape tomatoes, not a few, I got a good bit here, and also some of these really nice looking big beef tomatoes. They're turning a little red. Not quite ready yet. I'm not going to let them fully ripen on the vine. I'm going to take them inside and get them out of the heat. I don't want them to crack or blister or anything like that. So hopefully those will be ready nice and red and pretty come market this weekend. I actually went to a small market in Pearl River. It's pretty new, not a lot of vendors. I was the only one out there with any kind of fresh produce, and I didn't have a lot of that either. We took out some radishes, some kale, cucumbers went well. I took some pickles. Everybody that tried the pickles bought a jar of pickles, so I'm doing something right there. So y'all can check back at a video of what I do making pickles. Actually, when I get out of this heat, I'm gonna go make some more pickles, so they'll be ready for this weekend as well. But everything's going well. Doing good. The cucumbers are growing pretty well behind me. I got those, like, I forgot the name of them. They're like a black beauty, but it's the typical eggplant that you think of, the big purple ones. But those are good. I'll probably have a few of those ready for this weekend too. For the markets farther down the line, I have some one of those the pink ones. I think it's the Asian eggplants, the pink little long ones. Those are coming in too. Those might not be ready for this weekend. What I am excited, we're still pumping out cucumbers, but outside those are starting to take off as well. I got to trellis those up a little bit, and also got some Creole tomatoes outside and inside, but I need to start trellising those up. I put some T-posts in the ground, and just got to get some string going through them so they can grow up and be happy. But that's it, guys. Just wanted to give you a quick little update of what we're doing here. Everything's kind of starting to pick up. It's getting hot. Everything out here likes that, so that's a good thing. That's the one reason everything in the greenhouse here was growing really well, because of that temperature in here when everything was closed. It was hot and muggy, and those things like it. But I'll talk to y'all later. I appreciate y'all following. Later on, guys. Bye.